Buyers, do you want to stand out and get your offer accepted? Housing trends show the market heats up as we move into spring. To stay ahead and be successful in your search for a new home, you'll need to present a competitive and compelling offer. Hi, I'm Tanja Odzak, eXp Realty. I love helping people. I'm a senior level realtor and I help people sell and buy homes right here in the East Bay. Let me share some powerful strategies to help you secure your dream home. First, before you even start house hunting, we need to meet so that I can learn about what your goals are, orient you to the home buying process and the local market conditions, and give you proper guidance based on your situation. After that, you'll meet with one of my trusted lenders to confirm your financing and get fully underwritten. A basic pre-approval is good, but a fully pre-underwritten pre-approval is a game changer. Being fully underwritten means your lender has already verified and approved your documents like pay stubs, bank statements, debt, credit, and making your offer almost as strong as cash. This step of having a pre-underwritten pre-approval gives you a strong edge and shows sellers you're very serious and can close quickly. Then there's actual cash. We have all heard the phrase cash is king. If you're in a position to make a full cash offer, you'll automatically stand out. A cash offer eliminates the uncertainty of a mortgage for sellers and can even speed up the closing process as there is no loan to obtain. But of course, not everyone is walking around with lots of cash. So if not, be sure to get that pre-underwritten pre-approval. Next, you want to be flexible and strategic with your terms. Flexibility is key in a competitive market. Consider sweetening your offer by being accommodating to the seller's needs, whether it's a longer closing time or waiving minor contingencies, but don't compromise too much. Contingencies like inspections, appraisals, and loan approvals are your safety net, so you want to have clarity on each one and make informed decisions on how to use them to your advantage. It's all about balance, strong offers with smart protections. All of these strategies will put you as a buyer in a better and stronger position to get your offer accepted in a competitive housing market. And remember, our market moves fast, and so should you. Call me today and let's talk about it. I'm a seasoned East Bay expert with the 5-star rating. I'd love to show you available inventory, pricing trends, and help you write an offer that stands out. And if you or someone you know needs to sell a home, ask me about my home selling plans. I took the pain out of negotiating with a realtor and made it super simple. Really, choose silver, gold, or platinum. Pick your plan, pick your price. Terms apply. I'm Tanja and I sell homes. Let's get you going. Call me today.